Hey folks, I'm Rob. I own a Hyundai Kona Electric. I want to talk about an issue that I'm having. Basically, it's sort of the dreaded high-pitched metallic rubbing noise that you hear. I know it's not the VESS. The VESS is the virtual engine sound system, by the way. If you remove fuse module 4, the VESS disappears. In order to temporarily disable VESS in North America, you need to remove fuse module 4. Be aware that this also disables many safety features, but that doesn't worry me, as my previous car literally didn't have any of those safety features anyway. And this is just a temporary thing, right? So the first thing you want to do is open the hood, unclip the cover of the fuse panel, and grab the handy little fuse puller tool. Technically, you're supposed to remove the negative terminal from the battery. Head back in the car and remove the cover of the fuse panel to the left of the steering wheel. When you turn that around, you see a handy little layout of where the fuses are. Again, you want to remove fuse module 4, which is just one over from the top left fuse. I hear it not only when driving next to walls, but I hear it just driving down the street with the windows open, bouncing off the curbs, bouncing off of other vehicles, that kind of stuff, right? Okay, so what I'm going to try to do here is record the sound from inside. Let's see what happens. I went to the dealership today, and 4 different people didn't hear anything abnormal.
I'm wondering if the car's been sitting for a bit and there's like fucking rust on the brakes.
Can I turn on the AC?
Yes. Like you, I am hearing sweet FA. I'm not hearing anything.
Well, some frequency only the customer pick it up. We cannot.
No, he
pick
had
it up.
he had a video of it.
A video?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, let's make a conclusion for this test drive. You hear anything?
No, I heard nothing.
Well, it's normal to me as well.
So I go in and take a drive with the service manager. I could hear whenever we pass by a car. He's saying he doesn't hear anything.
I'm not hearing anything out of the ordinary. So.
And I say, no, I hear it, right? He's like, I don't hear anything out of the ordinary. And so we drive between these 2 walls. Car could just fit, one car could fit between them, and it was very present, right? Did you hear it?
Nothing out of the ordinary.
Yeah, I hear it all the time. I'm like, seriously, you don't hear that? And he said to me, and he emphasized, he's like, keyword is out of the ordinary. I don't hear anything out of the ordinary.
Let me prefix this. Nothing out of the ordinary. Like, I hear noises, but it's stuff that I normally hear from these things. So.
And so that to me says that they think the sound is supposed to happen. But then I tell him, it didn't used to make this sound. And he says, no, it's the pads on the rotors.
You got a pad on each side of the rotor? Yeah. Press the pedal, the 2 pads squeeze together. They don't completely release, so you get a little bit of scraping. Normally you don't really hear this with other cars because you have an engine. Because as soon as you stop, it stops. You drive in between buildings, and these things are so quiet that normal noises that you would hear on other cars, you wouldn't necessarily hear it on these.
I'm not buying it, you know. I've driven nice, quiet, luxury sedans, that kind of stuff. I'm one of those people that like the tiniest little noise keeps me awake, but this is very present. People tell me all the time they could hear it. I had the brake pads and the rotors replaced because I was having the brake clunking sound. And that was done a few months ago, and it kept doing it right after that too, so it definitely wasn't brakes. Plus, it was much more present in the video when I recorded in the motor bay in the front of the car. Basically, Hyundai dealerships aren't necessarily thinking this is anything abnormal. Myself and many others included do think it should be addressed. Because, yeah, I've driven other electric cars and they don't do this. Maybe the Kia Niro EV, I haven't driven that one. But other than that, I've driven Chevy Bolt, Teslas, stuff like that. But yeah, this sound, you hear it every single day and it's just like, it's irritating, right? So yeah, it's the little chip on my shoulder with the Kona EV. So hopefully Hyundai will, address this issue going forward, at least for future models. It'd be great to have customers coming back to them, of course, right? Because they did something great here. And yeah, okay, well, bye.